Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Grand Theft Auto San Andreas mouse not working problem. Let me show you what I am talking about. As you can clearly hear guys, my mouse is not working at all in this game. So today we will going to fix this. In this video I will going to show you 4 different methods to solve this problem. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, open your GTA San Andreas. Now press Windows key plus D button. Right click and click on Task Manager. Now right click, then click on Go to Details. Right click and click on Set Affinity. Now uncheck all processor and select CPU 1. Click on OK. Unfortunately, whenever you get this problem, you have to do this. I think this problem is only happening in Windows 10 and Windows 8 users. Okay, so I'm not sure about it. I may be wrong, but as much I can understand, this is only happening to Windows 8 and Windows 10 users. Okay, once you have done this, run your game, which is already running obviously. As you can see, I can move my mouse. Okay, if in case this method does not work for you, then let's proceed to method 2. Now before I explain you method 2, let me tell you this. I have a second channel named as Spapno. I want you guys to please go to the channel. Please check the description. There will be a link of my second channel. Simply go to the channel and subscribe to that channel. Currently I am not uploading any more videos on that channel because I tried it, but since I don't have that many subscribers, so I'm not getting enough views. So there's no point for uploading videos until I get enough subscribers on that channel. So please go to the channel and subscribe to that channel and let me know that you guys are ready to watch my live stream and other videos. Okay, so link is in the description box below. Please go to the link and subscribe. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, in this method we have to download a DLL file named as dinput8.dll. I am providing that DLL file in description box below, so please check the description box below. Under download link section you will going to find my website link. Open that link. Okay, once you open that link, you will going to find a link over here. That DLL file link is over here. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and always try to download the latest version. While recording this video, the latest version was 10.0.15. This might change in future. Okay, so I will strongly suggest you to download the latest version. But wait, you cannot download any random files. As you can see, both of these are same version, but there is a difference. In architecture you can clearly see this is a 64-bit for 64-bit operating system user and this is for 32-bit operating system users. So if you don't know how to find which system type are you using, then what you have to do is simply open this PC, right click on this PC and click on properties, and clearly over here you can see that I am a 64-bit operating system user. If you are a 32-bit operating system user, then it will be written as 32-bit operating system. So in my case I'm gonna download this one because I'm a 64-bit operating system user, and 32-bit operating system user have to download this one. Okay, so download it. Okay, once you have downloaded this file, what you have to do is right click on the file, move your mouse over open with, and then click on Windows Explorer. Now drag and drop your file on your desktop. You can close this one. Okay, now what you have to do is go to the location where have you installed your GTA San Andreas and make sure your GTA San Andreas is not running right now. Right click, copy this file, go to the location, okay, and right click and paste it. That's all you have to do. Now try to run the game and check is your mouse is working or not. If your mouse is still not working, then let's proceed to method 3. Okay, in method 3 we need this DLL file which I have already explained in method 2 from where you can download it. So I'm not gonna explain you one more time. Okay, so let's extract this file. Right click, move your mouse over open with, and then click on Windows Explorer. Drag and drop this file on your desktop. Now open this PC, go to the location where have you installed your GTA San Andreas, copy this file and paste it over here. If you are getting something like this, then click on skip this file. We are getting this just because we already have this file over here. Okay, so what you have to do is click on view, click on file name extension, check this and rename this file. Make it like this. We are just creating a backup of this file just because if in case somehow we make a mistake, then we can roll back. Okay, now try to paste this file. Okay, now close this, and now what you have to do is first of all you have to know what is your system type. Click on properties. Now if you are a 32-bit operating system user, then you have to follow only one steps that I'm about to show you. But if you are a 64-bit operating system user, then you have to follow 2 more steps. Okay, I'm gonna explain which step do you have to follow and which step 32-bit operating system user does not have to follow. I think that makes sense. Due to some reason I made some confusion, I think, but don't worry, I'm gonna explain it in detail. Okay, 64-bit operating system user and 32-bit operating system user, copy this file, press Windows key plus R button and simply type system32 and press enter. Now paste this file. If you are getting this dialog box, then don't click on replace this file in the destination. Simply click on skip this file. Okay, that's all you have to do for 32-bit operating system user. But if you are 64-bit operating system user, then you have to do one more step. Okay, simply press Windows key plus R button and type SYSWOW64. You can write this in uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. Once again, copy this file and paste it over here. If you again getting this, then simply click on skip this file. So that's all you have to do. Okay, now try to run the game and check now is your problem has been fixed or not. I think it's been fixed now. If it is not, then let's proceed to method 4. Okay, in method 4 what you have to do is simply go to the location where have you installed your GTA San Andreas. Now before you do anything, make sure you are not running your game right now. Okay, try to find this file in your GTA San Andreas folder. If you are having this file, then what you have to do is click on view, check this one, file name extensions, and rename this file as dinput.dll.dak. We are creating this file just because if in case we make some mistakes, we can roll back. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now what you have to do is right click on GTA San Andreas.exe, click on properties, click on compatibility and check this reduce color mode. Click on apply, click on OK. Now try to run the game. I think after doing this much, your mouse problem has been fixed. If not, then please let me know in comment box below. I will see what can I do about this. I think I have explained all the steps that I think due to that it is happening. Okay, now it's your job. You have to comment below, is it working or not. Now I would like to end this video, but before I end this video I want to put a like goal. I want 163 likes in this video. Let's see how fast I can get it. I want your support. Okay, so show me your support by clicking on like button. Okay, so today's goal is 263 likes. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, more videos are coming soon. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.